Hi guys, I'm going to unbox with you my very first item from Pomellato, and this is a piece that's very special to me and my husband. If you're following me on Instagram, you will know that I've been on a hunt to find a special jewelry piece that will celebrate the lives of my 3 children. I have a 3-year-old and I have a pair of twins who are 1 month adjusted age, and the journey for me and my husband to conceive them, to deliver them and bring them into this world has been quite a ride. I wanted a special piece that will really celebrate the miracles that they are. So we got this item from Pomellato and it came in a beautiful bag. It's such a nice bag. It reminds me of like a cake bag. It's a rusty red, very Italian richness type of color. I think I'm so used to shopping in French luxury brands that the experience in this Italian brand was just super refreshing to me. Just the whole like vibe and look of the items is just so bold and lots of colors. They're super creative with their designs as well, so it was just really nice experiencing a different type of design when it comes to fine jewelry. So let's see what's in this bag. We have this, we got invited to the Marina Bay Sands Insider program. Whoop, there you go. It's like a program which I have yet to read what it entails, but someone very official came and gave us $300 worth of dining vouchers. Let's see, shopping privileges, access to exclusive collections, event invites, and complimentary 3-hour parking per day for 3 months. Wow. That's amazing. We also have the receipt, which comes in this very simple envelope. So this is a gift from Neil and his team. Neil was the guy who helped us with this particular piece. Super friendly guy, and he was very helpful in trying to source the item for us. He also gave us a lot of suggestions on what we could put together, because they have a lot of layering pieces that we could potentially look at into getting, and he was just super friendly all around, and the whole team there just had a very friendly vibe. This is the little tiny teddy bear keychain. This is supposedly their mascot. I think they have a nicer name for that, but this is essentially the Pomellato bear. They have necklaces that have this bear as a pendant, which I thought would look nice for, you know, baby necklaces and stuff, but I think it's meant for adults. So this is the piece, super pretty and very cute. I think I'll hang this maybe in the kids diaper bag. All right, now so on to the item itself. Wow, the packaging is just so pretty and so gorgeous. I love it. It's kind of like a, I don't know, in some lighting it looks very brown, but very like a little bit of reddish hues, I think. Super pretty. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? How special is that? Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It actually reminds me of one of those old school like food containers that people would put their lunches in. It has the nice Pomellato writing there, and it's not very heavy. It's a beautiful casing. Okay, are you guys ready? Let me open this up. Ta-da! I hope it focuses. There you go. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It looks like an art piece. It looks like one of those things that you go to a museum and you would see it and take pictures of it, but it belongs to some like ancient royal family that has passed it down over generations, I mean after generations. It's so freaking pretty. This is the Bahia ring with the amethyst stones. So these 3 stones, the purple stones, are amethyst, and they are the irregular, they call it the irregular cut that they have, because it's not like a solid amethyst. It looks a little bit raw and they are all of different shapes, but I love the fact that they have been chiseled on top to give it that shine that you see there. The amethyst that they use for this piece, they call it like the highest grade of amethyst that you could find. It's very deep and it's very sparkly as well. The little green jewels that you can see there, these are called Severites, and I have never heard of this gem before this, but apparently they only come in very small sizes, like less than a carat, just because of the way that they are formed. So they are typically used in, you know, designs and creations like this, where you use it to decorate around a piece. So for example, the Cartier Panther ring, the eyes used to be made of this particular material. So there are 5 Severites that are adorning the amethyst stones, and I think it's so pretty. And let me pop this open and show you. This is so cool. Ugh, let me not drop this. Oh, it has a little button there. How cool is that? And you slide the ring out. Beautiful. I actually want to explore more of this. Does it come out? Oh, you can put like bracelets in there. The band itself, it is 18K gold, and it is rose gold. This is their version of rose gold. Oh, it's so freaking beautiful. I can't get over it. The band was one of the things that sold it for me, because as you can see, it's very thick. It's very different from usual rings that you see that are typically very thin, and you can see that it's not made to look perfect. It's made to look a little bit rugged. It has the little Pomellato writing or branding right there, and as you can see, it's not a perfect circle. It actually looks almost like a vine, and the underside of it is beautiful as well. So the amethyst is so clear that you can literally see through it, but the underside of it has openings for each of the stones. I like it when designs have this, because it makes it very easy for you to clean out your gem. Super pretty. Okay, let me put it on for you guys. Oh, I do. It's so freaking pretty. How gorgeous is that? How beautiful. I'll show you how it looks like on the other side. If I were to put it the other way, it would look like this. This is a size 52, which I have no idea how it's able to fit my hand, because my fingers, sorry, are actually sized like 56, 57, but I have no idea how this was able to fit me. It also comes with a tiny little satin dust bag here, which you could, you know, carry it around if you want to travel. Let's talk about how we got to the conclusion of getting this ring. We did go to a couple of jewelers that we are familiar with, and you know, we wanted them to come up with some designs. We were googling a lot about designs, but to be honest, every time we look at the designs, we always kind of compare it to this particular Bahia ring, and we always think that this ring is actually just nicer. So even though this is, you know, ready to wear and it wasn't like customized for us, I still think that this is something that I liked better than a lot of the other designs that the jewelers were coming with. So let me tell you about the idea and the meaning that we have for these designs. So it has 3 stones here, but you can see that one of the stones is actually bigger than the other 2 stones. So to us, this represents Mika, who's our first son, and the other 2 stones would represent the twins, Martin and Myra. They're kind of like the same size. I don't think they're exactly the same, but they look like they're the same size. And the 5 Severite gems actually represent the 5 of us in the family, and it's just, oh, if this is not a family heirloom, I don't know what is, you guys. I freaking love this ring. Now that I'm seeing it on my hand in my room, I love it even more. It's just so freaking beautiful. This was actually the last piece that they have in Southeast Asia, guys. And that's why, even though usually when I get rings, I try to make sure that it fits in my middle finger as well, just to get more value for money. And I actually think that this would look great as a cocktail ring too, but it's not gonna fit. This was the only piece left in Southeast Asia. I think they do still have pieces in Europe and in Spain, because I do still see it on their website. But in Southeast Asia, this was the only amethyst Bahia. And Bahia collection in general, I think they are slowly discontinuing it, because it doesn't actually appear on their list of official collections. If you see on their website, they do still have production being made for the Bahia rings for other stones. So they have it for aquamarine, pink tourmaline, I think, pink morganite. They also have it for red garnet and peridot, which are beautiful colors, but I don't know, they are just not as deep as this amethyst one. And the whole experience of shopping in the store was actually pretty amazing. I'm not a bougie person, okay? I happen to like bougie or luxury things. So when I go into these fine jewelry stores, or high-end stores, sometimes I do feel like an imposter. But when I went to Pomellato, everyone there was super down to earth. They had like a team of 4 people, I think, and they were always like trying to get solutions for us. They're trying to give us variations and showing us different varieties. They were also making sure that they were able to bring the pieces from the stores and from the office, and they were just really, really nice. It made the shopping experience very fun, and I didn't need to pretend to be a classy lady. I think that the first time I went there, I was in a t-shirt and jeans, and they still treated me very, very nice. And I want to mention that I like that as a whole, the ring looks, of a pretty decent size. All the gems put together, because I have pretty big hands, as you can see, and I don't like small rings, and I like that it looks pretty substantial. Now I just need to find an occasion to wear it. It's probably more of like a, I don't know, evening wear, special occasion type of thing, but I just love that I'm able to find a piece that celebrates my family and my children. So yeah. So I hope you found this video enjoyable, entertaining, useful, whatever it is. If you did, do click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. Bye!